See the message I got from YouTube this evening. Oh God, I'm so happy. Oh God, the message. Oh God, just look at it. That's the message I got from YouTube. Oh God, after a long trial, a long putting up of effort, at last I hit my 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy. I couldn't do that by myself. You supported me. Yes, you did. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you, my subscribers. Oh God, I never knew that I was going to get to my 1,000 subscribers so fast. Oh, thank you. With a grateful heart to say thank you. Please just celebrate with me. I want to appreciate my audience. Wow! When I went to my studio and I saw my audience, the number of countries that is actually watching me, this girl just watching me try my best to portray what I know I can do. You are watching it. Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm going to be calling the names of the countries. Yes, and I want to be saying thank you one by one. Thank you so much. It took me work, sleepless night to be able to get to this level. I want to say thank you to YouTube team. First of all, thank you for accepting this girl on your platform. Thank you so much. Thank you, YouTube team. You're doing well. You're helping content creators. Thank you so much. You are doing well. Then I want to list out the name of the countries. I actually wrote them down. I wrote them down. Oh my God. Oh my God. I wrote them down. Okay. The first country on my list is Nigeria. I am from Nigeria, so my country audience that's supporting me, thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you so much. Please keep on watching my videos. I love it. Oh God, I love you. Thank you. Then the next audience is Ghana. Hello, my African country. Thank you so much, Ghana. I appreciate you so much. Yes, I do. And the next is Indonesia. Oh my God, thank you, thank you, thank you for watching the small girl's video. Thank you so much. Yes, and we have United States of America. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this girl. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. I don't take it for granted. Thank you. And the next is Kenya. Oh my God, Kenya, my African country. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm just so excited. Please don't mind me. I'm so happy. Thank you. And the next is United Kingdom. I love you. I love you. I love all of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the next is South Africa. South Africa. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. And the next is Germany. Thank you so much. Oh, my audience is so wonderful. I love you guys. I love all of you. Oh God, I wish I can visit all your countries. Don't worry, I'll try to do that one day. And I'll just come and stand there and shout, thank you for watching my videos and being my subscriber. And the next is Iran. Oh God, Iraq. Thank you. Iraq, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And the last one is Rwanda. I hope I pronounced it well. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Oh my God. I really don't know what to say. Oh, I've been so excited. You know it. As a YouTuber, you know it. It's actually not easy at all. You know, they sent me a message, so they've accepted me. I'm now a YouTuber. Somehow, yes, I am. At least I'm in the crew. I'm in the clique. My name is there. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just came out here to say thank you. I came out to appreciate you. Please just keep on watching my videos. You know I need the watch hour. Please keep on watching my videos. Please keep on watching my videos. I'll try my best to put up quality content there. Okay, so you can learn one or two things from any of my video you watch. I am going to try my best. I promise that. Thank you. But just know that I love you. This kiss is for all of you. Thank you so much and bye. Thank you.